I'm getting almost a raspberry leaf type of aroma there. It's emphatic, that's for sure, but it's not overpowering. I was expecting to have, you know, kind of a real funk. So let's see what the taste buds have to say to their little olfactory friends. There is a citric. There is a citric to that, but it's more of an orange and a tangerine. And it certainly doesn't echo the aromatics. They're different. They do fit together, but in a very interesting way. So does Circling Birds meet expectations? Not quite this time. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A comment would really be appreciated as well. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.